Welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss how to NDVI calculation of Landsat 8 data, normalized difference vegetation index by ENVI classic software. So NDVI actually calculation of the vegetation index or vegetation health. So NDVI formula is a near infrared minus rate divided by near infrared plus rate. So let's start the NDVI classification. Open the file image. Open the Landsat 8 image. There is the near infrared band is the 5 and 4 and 3. So load data. This is the Landsat 8 data. So this image, this is the calculation of normalized difference vegetation index. So go to the transform and NDVI. Input this image here and spatial subset and okay. This is open the NDVI calculation parameter. This is the input file type. This is the sensor. There is the Landsat. So Landsat 8, the operational land imager sensor. So this is this click. This is the Landsat 8 image. So NDVI band rate. Red band is the 4. This is the band Landsat 8 data. Band 4 is the red. So input here red band. This is the 4. And next near infrared band on the Landsat 8 band 5. So input 5 and use the output data type the rotating point and byte rotating point and use the output name. NDVI and okay, there is the calculation is this complete. Open this file or image. So there is this calculation of this image. Next step, this image, this is the interpretation. So interpretation is this NDVI of this image. Actually NDVI value range from 1 to -1. There is the value and the NDVI value tentatively range between the -1 to +1. The value closely to +1 denote the good vegetation and content. So NDVI formula. This is the NDVI formula. Area of barren rock, sand and snow usually through the very low NDVI values. So example the less than 0.1, this is the denote the barrenland, wetland. This is this value of this +1 to -1. Check this value of this image. So interpretation, right click the jet profile. So there is the statistics of this image. Right click to quick statistics. and there is the band 1 minimum value minus 0.3469 and maximum 0.26. So there is this plus minus value and there is this minus value. So dense forest here, this is the value greater than. So this is the NDVI for NV classic software. Thanks for watching.